folks, Dr. Julie here. I was making some pH indicators with my handy cabbage here, and I had some leftover cabbage juice. So I thought I would do it's not magic, it's science. I'll do a science trick for you. So I've got 3 clear liquids here. This one will be vinegar. This one's water. And this one I will mix up some bicarbonate of soda. I'll just pull that out there. Carefully give it a stir. Just mix it in. Now, in a minute, I am going to get my beautiful assistant to come out and mix up these glasses so I don't know which one is which. And then, by pouring them into our good old cabbage liquid, I'm going to be able to tell you what they are. So, if my beautiful assistant Pat would please come out. And just to make sure I really don't know what's in the containers, I'm going to close my eyes and put a peg on my nose. Take it away, Pat. Done. Please thank the lovely Pat. Give him a round of applause. Now the vinegar has some smell in it, so I have my nose blocked, so I'm not able to smell which one's which. And I shall pour them in and tell you which ones. This glass had bicarbonate of soda. Let's see what is in this glass. Ooh, this glass was the vinegar. And by process of elimination, this glass is the water. Oh, don't put pegs on your nose, it hurts. So, how did I do that? Well, I know that this cabbage juice reacts to pH, and the bicarbonate of soda has a basic pH, which means it will turn blue when added to the cabbage juice. The vinegar is acidic, and I know that acids turn pink when they're added to the cabbage juice. So it's elementary, my dear students. And there's some really great examples in nature that you can get of plants like hydrangeas, where they grow in acidic soil, the flowers are pink. Where they grow in a more basic soil, the flowers are blue. And when the soil isn't acidic or basic, it's purple. Now, I bet you're wondering, like I have been this entire experiment, what does cabbage water taste like? Cabbagey. So if you want to learn more about the pH scale and acids and bases, feel free to look up our DIY pH indicator tutorial, or do some research on your own. But have fun playing with indicators and cabbages.